Come on, come on, come on. That's it. Don't get it. Don't you bite, Mommy. I'll whack you with an onion. I'll whack you. Babe, I need help, because you don't care if he bites you.
Just grab him.
No, I can't. He'll bite. He already did. I don't like him biting me with his warty eel teeth. Look at him. He snapped.
Guy, come on. Get out of there. Hey. Guy, let's go.
Lost your life if you go down there. You only have 9. Think
get
about
out.
it. Think about it. Think about it.
Think about it.
You only have 9.
Think about it.
You only get 9. She's like, Mom, it's a little chilly in here. Let's see what happens.
Ruben, get out of the fridge. Come on, out. Get out of the fridge. Get out. Come on.
Seda,
Get out of here, Mom.
come out of the refrigerator.
Come on.
Come on. Here we go. Good girl.
Get out of here, Mom.
Hello.
Get out of the fridge, cat. I want my sandwich. Get away from my sandwich. Get out. Come on, get out.
Oh, hello. Come on out here. It's dinner time. Excuse me, can I open and see the cat?
Yeah, it's okay.
Funny.